So guys, in this video, it's a compilation ng lahat ng camera experience ko with the Huawei Pura 70, Pura 70 Pro, and Pura 70 Ultra. And in this video, it's a special collaboration with one of my friends, Jancy, from the Huawei community, with yung mga awesome shots na shinare sa akin from his Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. So don't go away after this quick intro. So lahat ng phone ni Huawei Pura 70 series has one chip. It's the Kirin 9010. It's a 7nm chip na gawa ni Huawei. Performance-wise, it's definitely not a gaming chip, but it is a performer. But in this video, pag-usapan lang natin more about the camera performance, and the Huawei Pura 70 has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 12MP na periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and 13MP na ultra-wide lens. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 13MP shooter. So here are some of the compilation na nakuha ko for outdoor shot, for indoor shot, for low light, and for selfie camera. Plus some video. Check this out. Meanwhile, si Huawei Pura 70 Pro has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 48MP ang kanyang telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 12.5MP na ultra-wide lens. Ang front-facing shooter is a 13MP na main camera sensor. So check out lang natin ang kanyang mga outdoor shot, indoor shot, low light, plus mga selfie shot, and some videos. Here goes. And of course, the current number one sa DxO mark is the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Itong camera has a 50MP na main camera sensor na may retractable lens, and it's a 1-inch sensor with OIS, and a 50MP na telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, 40MP na ultra-wide lens, and of course, ang front-facing camera is a 13MP shooter. And let me show you some awesome shots na nakuha ni Jancy using his Pura 70 Ultra. Magugulat ka na lang what this camera can really do. And of course, some humble shots from yours truly, from the outdoor, indoor, low light, and of course, the selfie camera, plus some video. Here goes. So makita nyo guys the difference between the three cameras. I would say the P70 can definitely perform. Makita natin si Pura 70 can definitely perform. But for me, the Pura 70 Pro probably is the sweet spot. It can do some of the tricks na kaya gawin ni Ultra. But for a normal user like you and me, I think si Huawei Pura 70 Pro is definitely the sweet spot. But if you're a pro camera user like si Jancy, I would suggest you go for the Ultra definitely kasi mas mama-maximize mo lahat ng function dun sa kanyang camera. It's definitely worth your investment. So guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede bilhin ang Huawei Pura 70 series, all the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.